In this class, we're going to go over questions on logarithm. Okay, let's consider the question that we have on the board. We are asked to solve 1/2 multiplied by log 25 minus 2 log 3 plus 2 log 6. Okay, please kindly pay attention. Recall that according to the law of logarithm, if you have a log b, it can be written as log b raised to the power of a. Are you getting it? This law is called the log of a power. You understand? The log of a power is the product of the power and the log. And the product of the power and the log is the log of the power. Do you understand? That is, when you have a logarithm that is raised to a power, the result will be the product of that power and the log. Just like the log, the power of this b is what? Is a, right? So which is equals to what? A multiplied by log b. This law is what I'm going to apply here. Are you getting it? That means if I have half 1/2 log 25, it can be written as log 25 raised to the power of 1/2. Are you getting it? I'm going to have minus log 3 raised to the power of 2 plus log 6 raised to the power of 2. That is, all this come upon this. These two come upon this 3. And these two come upon this 6. Are you getting it? Okay. Here, I'm going to have, now the square root of 25 is what? 5, right? So I'm going to have log 5 minus log, now 3 raised to the power of 2 is 9. Log 9 plus log 36. Okay? Now, I'm going to deal with the addition sign first. Do you understand? So I'm going to rearrange this equation. Oh, sorry. I'm going to rearrange this expression. So I'm going to have log 5 plus log 36 minus log 9. Are you getting it? So here I'm going to have log 5 multiplied by 36 all over 9. The laws that I use here is the sum of a log and the product of a log. These are the law. If you have log a plus log b, the result will be log a times b. Are you getting it? So I have log 5 plus log 36. The result will be log 5 times 36. Are you getting it? So if I also have log a minus log b, the result will be log a all over b. Are you getting it? So that is the law that I make use here. Now, if you point your calculator, 9 divided by 36, that is what? 4, right? I'm going to have 4. 5 times 4 is what? 20. So I'm going to have log 20. So the simplified version of this logarithmic expression is log 20. So you can see that it is important to understand the application of the laws of logarithm. By the way, if you missed our previous class on logarithm, there I elaborate on the various laws of logarithm that we have. There are about 12. Are you getting it? So I want to check the link in the description of this video to watch the class, okay? So let us proceed to the next question. Given that AB equals to 80 and log A minus 2 log B equals to 1, we are asked to find the value of A and B. Okay, solution. Please, I want you to pay attention. We're going to call this. To watch the complete class, kindly click on the link in the description of this video or the comment section, okay? See you in the next class.